Thinking of a fresh start without leaving the location you love? With Carlisle's Knockdown Rebuild, you can build new right where you are. From understanding what's possible on your block to bringing your dream design to life, it's a journey that's simpler than you might think.
Rebuild with striking facades and spaces that feel incredible every day. Double height atriums, flexible family zones, and designer finishes that fit your lifestyle. From memorable dinner parties to quiet nights in, multiple living areas, a chef's kitchen with a generous butler's pantry, and private retreats upstairs bring everyday luxury home.
So, what's first? Our Knockdown Rebuild specialists will review your block with a free site assessment and will consider everything from orientation to soil to council regulations, so you know exactly what's possible.
Next, find the perfect design. With over 150 home designs and 1,000 personalisation options, our expert team helps you find the ideal fit for your lifestyle. It all starts with our better floor plans. Ready to customise? At our Spectra showroom, you can start choosing your fixtures, fittings and colours to make the home uniquely yours. We believe in better inclusions, so you get more of what you love. We'll make the entire process seamless, from demolition to handover. That's our commitment to better care. Plus, with a 25-year structural guarantee, you'll have peace of mind every step of the way.
With Carlisle, you can rebuild the life you love right where you are. Book your free site assessment today and discover how simple a knockdown rebuild can be with us.